That's one lesson you never learned. Only expose your back to a corpse.
You are the corpse. You just don't know it. Lie down, Baron. You're the sorry scrap of dead worlds and dead beliefs.
No! They were your beliefs!
Never mind.
You said the words? You spoke them from your heart?
I vomited them up because I couldn't stomach them. Because I knew it was what you wanted to hear.
Lawyer! I taught you!
You taught me to fight, that's all. I took what I needed from you. You taught me to fight. You taught me well.
Who asked you to interfere? I had everything under control.